Hello everyone. This is our homepage. Homepage of our website is hiding picture. This portion is the footer, and there are few options for sign up and login. This is our admin. This is our admin. This is our sign up page. This is our sign up page. You can sign up. We successfully registered, but we can't sign up this login this page because there is an option for admin login. There is an option for admin login which is activate. If admin don't activate the ID, then user can access this site. Admin can check complaint box and delete the complaint if necessary. User list panel, as a user can be activated or deactivated, and also user account can be deleted. This is a forum for this is a forum for both the users and admins to submit or reply the comments. This is a forum panel, and this user you already seen this, and now we see our user dashboard. User can complain and this is user panel. So user can edit their information and complain with some complaints submitted by user can complain in complaint box, and if user has any requirements for to our site, and user can delete their complaint box, and he checked the forum, he commented or others user comment on this forum site, and he also commented on this forum status. See status on the forum site upon here, and this is my comment on this post. So